Good day, students. This is class 1, and today's subject is general knowledge. Today's topic is birds. Children, there are only three types of animal those have ability to fly. Those three animals are birds, insect, and bat. Let's see about birds. Birds have wings, so they can fly. They have a strong beaks but no teeth. The birds can build their nest to live in. Let's see some birds. First is peacock. This is a peacock. Peacock is a national bird of an India. Peacock is having peacock green color. Next is sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird and generally found everywhere. Next is pigeon. Pigeon is a domestic bird. Domestic means we can keep that type of bird at our home. So pigeon can find everywhere and has a black and white color. Next is crow. Crow also we can found everywhere and it has a black in color. Next is parrot. Parrot is also a domestic bird. Domestic means we can keep at our home. And parrot has green color with a red beak. Next is hen. Hen is a pet bird. It cannot fly high and it gives us egg also. Next is eagle. This bird flies high. Its eyesight are very powerful. We can call it hunter bird also. Next is duck. This bird generally likes to live in water. Next is owl. Owl cannot move their eyes. Instead, they can turn their head. Let us revise the bird's name. So first is owl. Second, hen. Third is sparrow. And fourth is parrot. Next line. Fifth is peacock. Sixth is eagle. Seventh is duck. Eighth is pigeon. And ninth is crow. Thank you, students.